Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide your following list on Instagram. And here's how it's done. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Account Type and Tools. If your account is a professional account, switch it to a personal account. This step is optional, but it ensures access to full privacy settings. Go back to the Settings and Privacy menu and tap Privacy. Tap Switch to Private Account and confirm. When your account is private, only your approved followers can see your full following and followers list. If someone who doesn't follow you visits your profile, they will only see the number of accounts you follow. They won't be able to tap and view the full list. If they want to follow you, they must send a request and you must approve it. Note, there is no setting to hide your following list completely, but making your account private is the best way to control who can see it. And that is everything to know about how to hide your following list on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor?